Dang! Is that a Momentum 410TH? That baby's sweet. This baby comes equipped with a 5,500 watt O&M gasoline generator. That way when you ain't got electricity, you ain't got to go home. Dang! This baby's got full body paint, red, white, and blue. You know what that screams? America. And check out all this storage underneath. They call this a mother-in-law suite. There ain't no point in ruining a perfectly good trip. This baby's even got an outside TV, outside speakers. That way the party ain't got to stop inside. This puppy's even got 4 power awnings to keep you protected from the sun. There ain't no point in making these harmful rays keep you from partying. This baby's even got a 30-gallon fuel tank with a pump to keep your toys and your accessories filled up, ready for riding. Dang! This baby's even got one of them Roku smart TVs that goes up and down. That thing is sweet. It also has a fireplace that will put off quite a bit of heat, if you know what I mean, plus a romantic ambiance for those of you like that. Dang! That's a full-size stove! You could even cook a coon in there. That thing is sweet. Check it out. This fridge is huge. Dang! Look at that. This thing is comfortable. Look at all this seating space. This is sweet. There's even a giant table. Put the whole family around so you can have a place to eat. Man, this is nice. Let's check this out. Whoa, this thing is sweet. Look at all this extra room in the toy hauler area. There's even 2 queen beds. That way you can sleep all the heathens. And then if you come on back, you have the 3 season doors. That way you could open up the porch area, have another place to party. And not only that, this thing comes equipped with a half bath. That way you could have his and her bathrooms. This thing is nice. Look at this thing. It's even got a seat. Look at all these spray nozzles for the ultimate cleaning experience. Dang! This thing's even got a poop closet. That way you could have the ultimate privacy and keep all the smell to yourself. Dang! This puppy's got an absolute ton of storage. What? It's even got washer and dryer prep. That's insane. Dang! This bed is a king-size bed where you have plenty of room to, well, you know, sleep. Man, this baby right here is nice. This is a Grand Design Momentum 410TH. Come on down to Moix RV and check it out. This puppy will haul your toys around and give you a nice place to stay. As for my boy Jacob Robinson, tell him Seemore sent you.